Hello everybody, Marley here, and for today's episode, we are going to be unboxing this, and we're also going to be building it, and it says here, solar system. Now we're done, and I am going to show you all of the planets and explain them to you, including the sun. First, the sun. The sun is a big star like other stars, and also it gives life on Earth. Without the sun, Earth will just be flying around in space and being very cold. Next is Mercury. Mercury is a small planet, and it's also close to the sun. It is hot there, and 1 year on Mercury is equal to 88 Earth days. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Also, Venus is also the hottest planet in our solar system. It is because all of the heat from the sun that goes to Venus, it gets trapped inside of Venus. Now, the third planet is Earth. Earth is our home planet. We all live here, and we must take care of it. It is because it has life, and it also has things we need to survive. Now we're gonna talk about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and it is home of the biggest mountain in our solar system. The name is Olympus Mons. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is very big, and it also has a big red spot. And that big red spot has strong winds inside of it. And how big is Jupiter? Jupiter is so big that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside. Now we're going to talk about Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in our solar system. It is the second largest planet in our solar system, and it has big rings. See? And it takes 29 Earth years to orbit the sun. Now we're going to talk about Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in our solar system. It is colored blue-green, and it has a small ring, and you could not breathe there because the atmosphere there is poisonous. Now we are going to learn about Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. Neptune is also a gas giant, which means it's also made out of gas, and it has three main rings, and it would take on 165 Earth years to orbit around the sun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.